everyone, welcome back to Hands-Free Studying for the MBE, brought to you by Brainscape. These upcoming criminal procedure questions cover confessions and self-incrimination. Okay, let's get started. Question 1. What is protected by the Fifth Amendment? The Fifth Amendment protects against self-incrimination. Question 2. The Fifth Amendment privilege against self-incrimination only applies to what type of statements? Compelled testimonial statements. Question 3. Under the Fifth Amendment, what is considered a compelled statement? A compelled statement is one that is elicited, coerced, or otherwise induced by a government actor, for example, through interrogations, polygraphs, or other things obtained pursuant to a subpoena. Question 4. Under the Fifth Amendment, what is considered testimonial? Testimonial statements are either written or spoken communications whose primary purpose is to establish or prove past events that are potentially relevant to later criminal prosecution. For example, affidavits or prior testimony. Question 5. What type of evidence is not considered testimonial? Evidence that is not considered testimonial includes observational evidence, so for example, lineups, as well as physical evidence, so urine or hair samples, as well as handwriting samples. Question 6. Is testimonial evidence found pursuant to a lawful search admissible? Yes. Question 7. Can the government compel production of testimonial documents, for example, journals? No. Question 8. How can a defendant invoke their Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination? A defendant can invoke this right by refusing to take the stand. Question 9. How can a witness invoke their Fifth Amendment right? A witness can invoke this right by refusing to answer specific questions on the stand. Question 10. Can the prosecution bring a defendant's invocation of his Fifth Amendment right to the jury's attention? No, the prosecution cannot comment on a defendant's refusal to take the stand. However, adverse inferences are not prohibited in civil cases, but they are prohibited in criminal cases. And that's the end of your 10 flashcard study round. To reach full mastery, remember to study in Brainscape. Our mobile and web app uses the latest in spaced repetition techniques, allowing you to optimize your study time and track your progress down to the finest detail. But of course, when you're driving, cooking, exercising, or otherwise unable to navigate the app, be sure to keep listening to the rest of this hands-free studying playlist. No matter what subject you're learning and what method you're studying it, Brainscape helps you rise to your challenge.